This is an investigative documentary exploring the reality behind the massive hype surrounding artificial intelligence. Everyone is saying the same thing. Artificial intelligence will change everything. It will replace jobs, create billionaires, and transform society forever. Imagine a futuristic AI city with glowing robots and tech advertisements, all dramatically captured in cinematic shots. The investment frenzy is in full swing. Money is moving faster than ever into this new sector. Investors are pouring billions into AI companies, betting big on limitless growth. Tech giants are racing to build bigger and more powerful models. The excitement feels unstoppable, driving the valuation higher and higher. Visually, we see stock market screens flashing, AI company logos, and scenes of investors celebrating these massive investments. But beneath all this hype and excitement, a dangerous question is starting to emerge. A growing number of experts are questioning the core narrative surrounding the AI revolution. What if the AI revolution isn't as limitless as we've been told? What if the bubble is slowly bursting? Imagine news headlines fading in, set against a dark and dramatic atmosphere, signaling skepticism and caution. The AI gold rush. Let's look back at historical precedents. History has seen many technology booms: the railway boom, the dot-com boom, the cryptocurrency boom. And now, the AI boom. We see a transition from historical timelines marking past booms, seamlessly blending into modern AI imagery. During every boom, investors believe a new, limitless era has arrived. And for a while, they're usually right. But eventually, reality catches up. Visually, we see dramatic animations of bubbles forming and then bursting, alongside imagery of historical market crashes. Today, AI companies are valued at hundreds of billions of dollars, but many have never generated enough revenue to truly justify those astronomical valuations. The visual depicts skyrocketing stock charts, with massive valuation numbers flashing, highlighting the financial tension. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world, but what challenges lie beneath the surface of this rapid innovation? We'll explore two critical areas today: the inherent limitations still facing AI technology, and the significant economic challenges driving the industry. AI has seen incredible progress, capable of tasks once thought impossible. But even with these leaps, major hurdles persist. This begins the limitations of AI. Our focus shifts to understanding where current AI technology falls short, particularly when faced with unexpected or complex queries. Despite incredible progress, AI still struggles with basic problems. It makes mistakes, invents facts, and confidently gives wrong answers. When interacting with generative AI, you might find it provides very convincing but completely incorrect information. Researchers call these mistakes hallucinations, when AI generates plausible but false data. The core problem of AI hallucinations remains unsolved. Researchers are constantly working on new techniques to mitigate these glitches, but no complete solution exists. Now let's look at the financial realities. The smarter AI becomes, the more expensive it gets to train. This begins the money problem. Those training costs are growing rapidly, requiring immense infrastructure to handle the sheer volume of data and computations. To develop every new AI model requires massive data centers, rows of powerful servers, and incredible computing power. This massive demand for computing translates directly into huge energy needs for electricity and cooling systems. Building and maintaining this infrastructure demands billions of dollars in investment just to keep up with the pace of innovation. This high cost leads us directly into the biggest challenge facing the AI industry today: the money problem. Here's the challenge. Most people love using AI, but very few are willing to pay enough to cover the true astronomical costs of development and operation. The result is that many AI companies are currently spending more money than they earn, operating at a net loss. Investors continue funding the industry because they believe future profits will eventually arrive and justify the current spending. But if growth slows, or if promised profits don't materialize, those expectations could quickly change, putting immense pressure on the entire AI industry. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. But what does it really mean for our jobs and the economy? We explore the realities behind the biggest AI myths. Let's first tackle the widespread fear, the job replacement myth. Many predicted AI would replace most human workers almost immediately. That simply hasn't happened. Instead, most businesses are discovering that AI works best alongside humans, not instead of them. Human judgment, creativity, trust, and accountability still matter. AI is a tool, not a replacement for essential human skills. Now let's look at the economic risks and the rising AI bubble warning. Some economists now compare today's AI boom to the dot-com bubble, not because AI is useless, but because expectations may be unrealistic. The core issue isn't the technology itself, but the excessive hype and unrealistic investment expectations surrounding many new companies. Many internet companies survived the dot-com crash. Amazon survived. Google emerged. The key takeaway here is about resilience. The technology was real, the hype wasn't. The internet fundamentally transformed society, even if many early companies failed. The same thing could happen with AI. The technology may transform society, while thousands of AI businesses disappear due to market correction. What happens next? Today, we're diving into the big questions surrounding the current boom in artificial intelligence. The excitement around AI is undeniable, but it brings with it familiar questions about economic sustainability and realistic growth. We're exploring the potential outcomes of the current AI climate. If an AI bubble truly exists, we might see a correction. This could mean investments slow down, and unfortunately, some startups may not make it. In this scenario, the soaring expectations placed on AI technology will finally have to meet the cold, hard reality of the market and achievable progress. But a correction doesn't spell the end for AI. Far from it. The fundamental breakthroughs and applications remain robust. We'll continue to see massive growth in areas like advanced robotics, medical AI, and critical scientific research, regardless of market hype. Some of the most important AI breakthroughs are still ahead, transforming major sectors like healthcare, education, science, and automation. This brings us to the conclusion of our deep dive into the AI bubble and its potential future trajectory. The real question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already has. The core issue is whether today's often extravagant expectations are genuinely realistic. History shows us that revolutionary technologies endure, but the hype surrounding them eventually fades. The core value remains. As the AI bubble slowly deflates and the frenzy subsides, the companies built on true innovation and solid foundations will be the ones that remain standing. The dream of limitless, instant AI dominance may be fading, but this might just signal the beginning of the true, sustainable AI revolution. Thank you for watching this detailed look at the future of AI. Do you think AI is the inevitable future, or are we living through just another technology bubble? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. God bless.